Hi everyone and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of refilling the diesel exhaust fluid, DF, in your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. DF is essential for reducing emissions and keeping your van running smoothly. All Mercedes-Benz diesel Sprinter vans require a DEF refill every 4K to 5K miles. We top up the van at the time of pickup, so it's important to refill DF if your vehicle displays a warning light indicating low fluid. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Open the hood. First, locate the hood release lever. It's on the lower left side of the dashboard, usually near the parking brake release. Pull the lever firmly. You should hear a click, indicating that the hood has popped open slightly. Now, go to the front of the van. Locate the hood struts. It's located on the left corner of hood near the hinges. Reach in and release the latch. Carefully lift the hood and secure it with the support rod to keep it open while you work. Step 2. Locate the DF filler cap. It's usually a blue cap, clearly labeled DEF or AdBlue. You will need 1 gallon of DEF to drive another 4K to 5K miles. Important, make sure you have the correct DEF fluid specified in your owner's manual. You can purchase DEF at most auto parts stores, Walmart, Costco, Home Depot, etc. It's important to use the correct type of DEF specified in your owner's manual. This will help you avoid overfilling. Carefully pour the DEF fluid into the filler neck. Avoid spilling any. If you do spill some, wipe it up immediately with a damp cloth. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans have a way to check the DEF level visually. Once you've added the appropriate amount of DEF, securely replace the filler cap. Step 4. Close the hood. Now carefully lower the hood. Make sure it's properly latched. You should hear a distinct click. Give the hood a gentle push to ensure it's securely closed. If your DEF warning light was on, it should now turn off. If it doesn't turn off, consult your owner's manual or contact us for assistance. You've successfully refilled your Sprinter's DF. Remember to check your DEF level regularly and refill it as needed. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful maintenance videos.